So one last thing I want to talk about is how to optimize your scene. So even though Substance has optimized itself a lot and it can handle a lot of texture sets, a lot of geo, a lot of shaders, but sometimes you will actually face it getting really slowed down. And especially if you don't have a really high-tech PC, which I don't, but most of the cases Substance does work pretty good nowadays. Last year it used to be a pretty big deal breaker. But if you face something like that, there are quite few ways that works to optimize your scene. The easiest one is to change your texture set from 4K to something else for the asset that you're not working on. But right now we just have 3 texture set. Sometime you will have 8, sometime you will have 10, and it still will be slow if most of the things are 1K. So another way to optimize it, what I have found, is to actually go in and delete a texture set. Again, right now it's just 3, so it's not a big deal, but for many it becomes one. So what you want to do is you want to make different files. The first one will be your universal one. So let's go in and save as. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. Let's create a new folder, name it main. Now I'm going to my legs. Let's say this is the file I want the torso to be visible, torso and the head. So if I go to my leg, select every layer and delete this. In my texture set, also go in and delete these guys because they're being grayed as well. So now let's delete these guys and we're gonna keep the torso and the head intact. We can go in and paint complete black on this one so it does not bother us. We're gonna go to File, Save As, save a copy. Let's just name it 2 for now. So after that's done, we want to open our original file. So that will be new folder, main. And now instead of deleting the torso, instead of deleting the legs, we're going to delete the torso. And we are going to save that out. Again, we can make the upper area completely black so it does not bother us, which will be complete black, complete roughness, and complete metallic, so it's pure black. And now we can only focus on the legs. There's a rare chance that you will have to do this. As I mentioned, Substance has done a pretty good job at managing its space and how well it does. But once in a while, pretty rare, if you find it, I just wanted to get it out how you should optimize it better.